Hello everyone. Thanks for coming on Learn English with Hoor channel. If you're watching this video, it means you want to learn English alone at home. There is no partner at your home to whom you can practice your English. So we need to learn tips and tricks how we can learn English alone at home. Because English is a new language for us. So it is difficult to learn English without any partner. In this video, I will share you all the tips and techniques step by step. Watch this video till the end. You will definitely helpful in your English journey. The first step is if you are beginner level English learner, then you will watch kids level or cartoons video in English language. And remember, don't do the mistake watching high level speeches, English videos. That will not useful you because you just begins your learn English journey. In the beginning, you will necessarily watch and listen the kids level videos. If your level is intermediate, then you can watch and listen speeches, high level speeches, videos that will benefit you. By watching these type of videos, you can really improve your pronunciation, and other benefit is you will sound more natural. The second step is talking with yourself, because when you will talk with others, then you would have to be very careful with words, sentences, sentence formation, grammar. But if you talk with yourself, you can do mistakes, and after that you can try to correct that mistakes. And if you will talk with others, then other can make you feel uncomfortable. Maybe that time you can demotivate, that you feel I should not speak because I am not perfect. So you need to talking start in English with yourself. After that, you will improve your understanding in English. You get confidence, then you can talking others also for just perfection. If you follow this step, you will realize your vocab and confidence improving day by day. Choose every time different topic for just 2 minutes. And the third step is you have to record your voice in your mobile and make a video clips. Benefit of this third step, you can see which mistakes you did. You can also check your expression and your confidence level while you talking in English. And the fourth step is read out loud. You'd have to develop a habit of reading. By developing this habit, really improve your fluency in reading or speaking also, because when you will loud when you speak loud, then the words will automatically reaching your mind, and you would have to read a sentence at least 5 to 7 times. Then your mind will start catching those words and grammar rules, and you will feel that you started speaking fluently. These were the best techniques, will definitely beneficial for your learn English journey at home. If you like this video, subscribe my channel for more informative these type of videos. Thanks for watching.